Let's solve a unit conversion problem. We need to convert 1/8 of an ounce to grams. We start with 1/8 of an ounce, and we want to convert this to grams. To do this conversion, we'll use the fact that 1 ounce equals 28.3495 grams. Let's use dimensional analysis to solve this. We'll multiply our starting value by a conversion factor that will let the units of ounces cancel out, leaving us with grams. Now, let's set up our calculation. We have 1/8 times 28.3495 divided by 1. This gives us 28.3495 divided by 8. Let's visualize what this means. If we start with 1 ounce, which is about 28.35 grams, and divide it into 8 equal parts, each part would be about 3.54 grams. Since most practical measurements don't require this many decimal places, let's round our answer to 2 decimal places. This gives us 3.54 grams. To verify this makes sense, we can check that this is indeed 1/8 of 28.35 grams. Our conversion is correct.